He did say something to the west, right? There was something evil to the west I needed to take care of. This is to the west, sort of. Let's go in here and see what it is. Small cave entrance. Oh, there's some stuff here. A whip, a scroll. Let's take both of the scrolls. Leave the whip. Move it, thank you. A blood-stained robe. I'll take it. I'll take it, why not? Otherwise, goblins are just gonna run away with it. Explore! Hey. Jackal. Ha! You don't scare me. Did he actually manage to hit me? I'm just gonna... No, not this one. I'm just gonna eat the... one of those. This one. Tasted very dull. Well, at least I'm full now. Pick up this. Take your broadsword. Leave the rocks. Take the clothes. What is this? A troll. A huge lumbering brute with random growths of hair on its arms and chest, and two small horns poking out of its head. It walks slightly hunched over, its pointy teeth visible as it mutters crankily to itself. It's pretty fast as well. Oh, slightly faster than me at least. Could you maybe not attack me while I just move you to the side? Okay, nice troll. A small cave? This? I'm not sure. Is this a small cave? Where did I check where I am? Maybe here? No? Doesn't say anywhere, does it? Which way? I'm not quite sure how I check where I am. At your level, isn't that a bit dangerous? What? I don't know what's dangerous or not. I'm just walking around, seeing what's around there. Where did they go? Did they both just die? You're not supposed to be there. SMC is the code for it. SMC? What? They're all experienced at least. And experience, I suppose, is basically what their level is, right? Oops! Level 8. The monsters there are always generated at twice your level. Well, now that I'm level 8, that's why you usually go at level 1. Oh. 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 What's the chances of me surviving here, though? Do you think there's any? Because I'm good with any. Athletics, I can't get real much there yet. But dodge, yes, one on dodge. Let's do dodge, and let's do literacy. I want to get literacy higher up so I can read those tomes, because they're taking a lot of space in my inventory. Well, there are downstairs. What? Worse monsters, like places I don't want to be, you mean? Oh, the troll is bad. Why are you bad? I didn't do anything to you. Run away, Nixon. He's throwing stuff at me. Stop this. Oh no, everything is bad. I'm dead now, ain't I? Oh crap. You know what? Close the door. You know what? Could you stop throwing rocks at me? Maybe it's better if it throws rocks at me. Maybe if I do like... Does ranged attacks affect the... Or does tactics affect the ranged attacks? Or is that only melee? Let's try and see. Oh, he comes at me now. It fails to hurt me. That's good. Stop. It hit me. First aid. Failed to do anything. Fails to hurt you. Good. It hits me. Fix myself. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm so... Pray! Can I just... You know what? Nope. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna open the door. Full defense. No! Not me. Not me. Leave me be. You... Close the door. Oh god. No, 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 no. Not now. Take the quarrel. Leave the rest. No. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Close the door. I can't close the door. Pray. Thank you, God. I love you. Run, Nixon. Run. Close the door. Doesn't close. Yes, yes, yes. This room. Close it. No. I regret this already. I really do regret this already. Well, at least the shield category. No. No, 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 no. Ah, fix my bleeding. Well, at least it's not a troll. That's good, right? No, it's the troll. It's the troll. Go away! Could you guys just like fight each other? My god is not going to love me anymore now. Stop bleeding. Stop bleeding. Stop. Let's do one normal attack. Just and that. No. Coward. Go coward. Yes. 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 Run, Nixon. Run. Close the door. An item is blocking the door. Are you kidding me? Oh. Barbarian! Woman! Help! Don't block me. Yes! Kill them! Oh, you useless. Adventurer! Help! There. No? Okay. Whew! I did pray twice. I don't think that would have helped anymore. I'm just gonna not go there again.